Hey YouTube, welcome back to another Roblox video. Today we are playing Robloxia, I don't know what it's called again. Robloxia Soccer 2016 maybe. And yeah, we're back. Hope you guys enjoy. Like, subscribe, and let's go ahead and play the video. And yeah. So this game is like, if you like soccer, you'd like this game. And I like soccer, so I like this game. And I decided that we would play this game. But no one actually makes videos on this game that much. Like, I don't know why. It's actually kind of fun when you play with friends, but I have nobody. But still, I'm gonna play it. I feel like playing it. There's nothing called F spammer, guys, because that's calling it a dribble. They say it's a dribble, so why do they call it F spammer, guys? And there's the goal. Come on, please be a goal. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no, guys! Oh no! The goalkeeper has to save this, guys. Oh my God! I guess joined. How do guests join? I tried last time. If you guys didn't see my video, I'll put it in the comment section below how to be a guest. And yeah, I can't even play any game. You guys know how. Holy cow, you're pro. You're pro. Okay. Okay. What the heck? Okay. What's happening? What's happening? Oh my God, I can't F spam that. Like F. Oh my God. No, no, I'm not scoring no goal. No, not today. Here comes the defender, Zaka. Well, how'd that happen? Right. I can't. Right. You don't touch it, goalkeeper. You're worst goalkeeper, and you too, guest. Bad guest. Bad. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Oh my God, I'm so bad at this. Hey, he's trying to steal the ball from his own teammate. Classic. Oh no, no, I'm gonna shoot him. Hey, hey, shut up, okay? Hey. Just keep shooting the ball somewhere. God, that's how I go. That's not how I go, but I don't know. It's not working for this. So, yeah, what else? Excuse me, sir. Sir. No, this is not out. Ooh. Dude, stop talking. Oh my God, the goalkeeper. Come on. Go. Save the goal. Holy cow. Yay. Over here. Pass. 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 Oh, that's it. What the? Really? Penalty. I know what to do. No, thank you. Stop playing here. Alright, guys. Hope for the best. Hope for the best. Oh my God. Alright, nothing happened. Nothing happened. Goalkeeper, don't score. Great, they score. Why is this server not? Oh, you don't. No, you no give ball because it's past is no. No give ball up. Dude! What's wrong with you? That's how I cheat. You're saying cheat. I know how they scored actually. 3 goals. You were there. Bah! Oh my God, he's gonna down dribble. Like, I gave him ball. Dude, here I'm open. I'm open. Holy cow. Shoot up. I'm lagging. Dang it. Oh. Yay, I scored! Woo! Yay! Yay! We're not gonna catch up, but still at least 5-4-1. Face, what? Actually 5 volts only. Play that game. I don't play this game that much. Come on. Oh, I'm gonna go because you wanna go? You really? You. Move. Alright, move, sir. Play. Just gotta shoot it all the time. Holy cow. Oh, no. Come on, save it! What? Really? Just go! Oh, go! Oh my god, our goalkeeper. He's so annoying. Oh, there's a guy. MH7s. He's gonna go with him. We lost, bro. Know your name, yeah. Noob. Stop bullying, dude. Here you go. Take that. Oh, no. Here. Come on, big tackle! Go with keeper! Oh, can I be GK? Like, can I? Alright guys, GG. Or whatever you call it. Yay, level up! Finally. Woo! Level 7! Alright guys. Let's go and teleport there. Please. Come on. Teleport! You know what? Can I be goalie? Can I be goalie? I'm Gordon. There you go. I say, cha. Don't think they even will believe like that. They're not gonna believe it. Right, come on. What if I reset? Will it work on a reset? Oh god, the pro joined. Great. And I'm happy. Ah, dude. Let's see if we can score this goal. Oh. Messed up. Oh, GG. Wow, nice. Alright, pass. What the heck? Max the failure. Oh my god! I'm the worst player. Oh my god. All are so good in this game except me. Look at that guy. He's like, oh my god, you're so stupid and bad. I'm like, come on, dude. I've played for a long time. Alright. Boom. I missed. Actually missed. Oh my god, my blood, bro. See? You see? I can't shoot him. Oh, really? Yeah, finally I can shoot. I see? I can take the ball, see? Oh, there's no one. Oh, he missed. Look at that goal. What? No, don't go. Alright, I'm showing my left foot. Oh my god, what's happening to my life? Guys, it's over me. Right. Oh, we can do it. Look at this. Dude. Down. Alright guys, let's go. Let's see if I can score a goal. Keep going to this. Like this. And like this. No, come on. Like this. No, come on. I can't score. Damn. Oh god. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and no one to see what. Dude! Well guys, I think I'll end the video over there. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to like, make sure to subscribe. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace out. Good. Bye. Peace out.